Now it's time to give ode to the second most abundant metal on the earth by a company that knows how to leverage this versatile metal for building future. Light, durable and flexible, aluminium is infinitely recyclable. It's these properties that makes aluminium the metal of choice for diverse sectors. Vedanta Resources is one of the world's leading diversified natural resource company with $15 billion in revenue and vast global footprints. Our diversified asset portfolio includes oil and gas, aluminium, zinc, lead, silver, copper, iron ore, and commercial power. Vedanta has made its mark by combining the latest technologies with operational excellence and sustainable practices at the core of its operations.
Aluminium occupies a very big part of Vedanta's portfolio globally. We are very happy that our products are not only serving the needs of Indian consumers, but we are also one of the largest exporters out of India across geographies. We also take a lot of pride in attracting and retaining global best talent. We believe aluminium is a metal of future.
Coming to our aluminium business, Vedanta Limited is the largest primary aluminium producer in India and sixth largest producer in the world outside China, with an installed capacity of 2.3 million tons per annum. It has gained strong foothold globally.
Our world-class R&D facility continues to challenge itself to develop new products for serving the ever-evolving customer needs across sectors and applications. Our tie-ups with global academic and technical institutions enable us to leverage the research and put innovation in forefront of Vedanta's journey towards excellence.
We at Vedanta offer value-added products such as billets, wire rods, slabs, rolled products, PFA in addition to pure aluminium ingot.
Our focus is to produce highest quality aluminium products and tailor these products to the exact needs of our customers. At Vedanta Jharsuguda, we operate our manufacturing processes using the foundation principles of operational excellence, continuous improvement, technology and innovation.
And in the era of rapidly evolving transportation industry, Vedanta brings out its latest offerings called Primary Foundry Alloy, used extensively in manufacturing of aluminium alloy wheels, brake systems and cylinder heads of automobiles. The first in India to do so. Vedanta has a capacity of 240 kilotons for PFA produced from world-class technology from Befesa, Spain and Properzi, Italy.
PFA is one of our key products. We are producing this in two shapes, 22 kg and 10 kg.
Vedanta has deployed the highly efficient GAMI technology at its smelter. The high-purity, low-iron hot metal produced at the pot room is ready to be transported to the cast houses. The molten aluminium is transferred to the electrically heated furnaces for batch preparation of primary foundry alloy mix. Rigorous quality checks are performed to ensure that our products conform to the highest quality standard. Before casting, molten PFA metal is passed through inline Alkan compact degasser and ceramic foam filter. During the process, we carry out hydrogen analysis using AlScan analyzer and metal hygiene check with PODFA analysis. The production of PFA cast bar from 100 kilotons Properzi facility is supervised by our highly skilled engineers and technicians. Vedanta's PFA cast bar product scores high with an incomparable surface finish, free from dross and negligible shrinkage porosity by virtue of continuous casting technology. catering to the diverse needs of the customers. Our PFA product offering also includes 22 kg ingot from Bufisa technology with a capacity of 50 kiloton Bufisa PFA ingot. We are poised to meet the specific requirement of our customers with benchmark quality product and services.
We carry out extensive testing and stringent inspection at each stage of our production process with our world-class quality assurance facility. This is to ensure that our product meets all the global specifications and the specific requirements of the customers.
We carry out extensive testing and stringent inspection in each step of the production process with our world-class quality assurance facility. This is to ensure that our product meets all the global specifications and the specific requirements of the customers. Our finished products are then meticulously packed and ready for dispatch across the globe.
As a customer-centric organization, our topmost priority is to offer best-in-class products and services to all our customers. With very well-diversified global sales and distribution network spanning almost across the globe and a competent customer technical services team, we are very well positioned to cater the changing needs of our customers. We are committed to be a partner of choice for all our customers.
Vedanta Group's emphasis on quality has made us a pioneer in the field of natural resource production, and we have earned the trust and support of all our stakeholders. We at Vedanta Resources strongly believe in environmental sustainability. Giving back to the community is a core value at Vedanta, and the company has far-reaching contributions in the society where it has operations. Our community development programs focus on education, healthcare, skill development, and women and child welfare. Imbibing the core values of trust, entrepreneurship, innovation, excellence, integrity, care, and respect. Every action we undertake at Vedanta is aimed at leaving a positive legacy for the generations to come. Vedanta, transforming elements.